Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, in your 7th standard, today let us study about decimal numbers. Dear student, before study about the decimal numbers, you will learn about only fractions, the addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, multiplication of fractions, and division of the fractions are here. Next one is what? Only decimals are here. What is the meaning of decimal numbers? You will learn about types of number also. Today, only decimal. What are the decimal numbers? For example, 1 by 2 is a fraction. Fractions of number. These fractions converted to decimal, that is 0.5. This is decimal. This is decimal point, that is symbol, that is point. When you can use the point, that is decimal point, that is 0.5 is a decimal number. And 7.5 is also decimal number, or 6.125 is also decimal number. When you can use the point, that these all numbers are decimal numbers. And also the relation between decimal and fraction also here. You can take this like also in your the number system, number fact, this like also here the place values. Starting unit place are one place. Unit place are one place. Next 10 place is the next 100 place is the next 1000 place is the. This like is there na in your number system. Next, these all are whole number only. 1 is not a decimal, 2 is not a decimal, 4 is not decimal, and etc. etc. And also 10 is not decimal. You can take only 2. This is not decimal number. Next 21 is not decimal. Next 380 is also not a decimal. Next 1287 is also not divisible, not decimal number. Decimal number, this decimal number goes to this like is the decimal number is the after the decimal number also in less than whole numbers. Decimal numbers are less than whole numbers are here. Therefore, you can take in the unit place, in left side is only 10, 100, 1000. In the right side, unit place after is that is tenth. Tenth is the tenth. Tenth. But unit place only 1 to 9 is there. But 10 place is only 10 is there na. 10 means 10, 1 0. 100 means 2 0. 1000 means 3 0. But what about the 10th? 10th means 1 by 100, 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Next, 100. 100 is the 100. 100 is what? 100 is 1 by 100. Next, 1000. 1000. 1000 is also, that number is in the form is 1 by 1000. This is our rule. Okay. For example, it 2 is the in the table. This is the number table. In this table, this number is exactly 21 is the. This 2 is the unit place 2 is the 10th place 2 is the. This answer is 2.2 is the point. Unit place after that is point is the point something is the. That is 2.22. Next, you can take some numbers. Choose any number. Therefore, 2812 is the. 2812. Write in a number. 2 is 10 place, no problem. 8 is unit place, therefore 28. Next unit place after that is you can take point. Next 1 2 1 2. 28.12. That is your decimal number. Okay. This like your decimal number rules are here. You can study about only decimal numbers. First one is what? 0.1 or 0.2, 0.9, 0.7. These all are only decimal number. The decimal digits are only one digit is the one digit. These all are one digit. The next one is what? 0.12, 0.37, 0.11, 0.45. In the decimal places, two places are here. Two places are here. In next one is also 0.123, 0.617, 0.817 or 0.333 is the. These all are also decimal number. The digits are decimal places are 3 is the. 3 decimal places are here. In this one, 2 decimal places are here. Okay. This place is 1 by 10 is the 1 by 10 places. Next, this one is what? Only 1 by 100. 1 by 100 is the. This is 1 by thousands or thousand. These lines are here. Next, you can study only decimal. Okay, you learn about more concept in also decimal numbers. You can convert it rupees to paisa, paisa to rupees, or otherwise centimeter to meter, meter to centimeter. This like numbers are also here, and also relations between this like also here. For example, 24 is divided by 3. Otherwise fractions are here. 25 is divided by 3 is there. This is one fraction is there. Fractions to convert your division method. 3 divided by 25 is there. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. Remainder is 1 is there. You can take 0. You can take point. 3 3s are 9 is there. Again 1 is there. Again point 0. 3 3s are. Answer is equal to 8.333 is there. This is your decimal number. This is decimal. Okay. Next concept is decimal numbers in the decimal number. Comparison of decimal number or comparing decimal number. Comparing decimal numbers. How to compare the decimal numbers? Which one decimal number is bigger? Which decimal number is smaller? Okay. 0.5 and 0.19 is the. Which number is bigger or which number is more? Therefore, 0.5 is more. 0.19 is smaller. Therefore, 0.5 is more than 0.9 because in your 10th place, this is 100th place is there. You can check as only 10th place. 5 is more, therefore this number is more. And also next one 0.781 and 0.8902 is the. Which number is more? Again consider 10th place, 8 is more, therefore 0.87282 is more than 0.781 is the. Next one example. Comparing next one. 1.2873 is the. And also next 1.2883 is the. Which number is more? Whole number is 1 same as this. Again 10th place is 2 is the. 100th place is also 887 is the. What about in 1000th? 7 and 8 is that. Therefore 8 is more. Consider 8 is what, therefore this number is more. Therefore 1.2883 is more than 1.2873. This is your rule. Got it? Comparing of decimal numbers. What about next? Next you can convert it rupees. You know about rupees or mass? 1 rupees. Rupees is equal to 100 paisa. 100 paisa. Next, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Next, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Next, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Next, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter. These all are units are here. Very important. Next, 1 rupees. 1 rupees means that is only 1. But 75 paisa. 75 paisa you can convert it to rupees. 75 paisa to convert to rupees. Convert to rupees. How much rupees? Only 1 rupees over, but 75 paisa. How much rupees? That is 0.075 rupees. 0.75 rupees. That is a decimal number. This is also a decimal number. You can use decimal number. Next one, 25 paisa. 25 paisa. You can convert to rupees. Therefore, the answer is what? Only 0.25 rupees. Rupees 0.25. What about next? 728 paisa. 728 paisa you can convert it to rupees. 700 means 7 rupees. 28 paisa means that is 25 paisa. 7 rupees. 7 rupees are 7.28 rupees. The rupees is what? 7.28 rupees. This is your conversion of rupees to paisa. In when you converted of rupees to paisa, you can use the decimal number. What about next? Meter to centimeter. Meter to centimeter. Therefore, you can convert that centimeter to meter. Centimeter to meter convert. For example, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. But what about 72? 72 centimeter is equal to how much meter? How much meter? Only 0.72 meter. 0.72. Next one, 132 centimeter is equal to how much meter? 132 is the, therefore 1 is, that is 1 meter. 1 point, next 32 meter is the 1.32 meter. This like also you can convert it centimeter to meter, that is also use decimal numbers. What about next? kg and grams. Kg and grams. Convert gram to kilogram. Kg. Gram to kg. Again consider 728 grams is equal to how much kg? Now only 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg is there. But this is less than 1 kg. That is 0.728 kg is there. That is kg. What about next? 8710 is there. 8710 grams is equal to how much kg? That is 3 digit after point, therefore 8.710 kg. This is your answer. Again, consider kg to gram also converted in the decimal numbers. Next one also here, centimeter to millimeter. Centimeter to millimeter or millimeter to centimeter. Millimeter to centimeter. 10 millimeter is equal to how much centimeter? That is only exactly 1 is the 1 centimeter. What about 7 millimeter? 7 millimeter how much? 7 millimeter is equal to how much centimeter? That is 0.7 millimeter. 0.7 millimeter. Next one, 72 millimeter is equal to how much centimeter? Only 1 0 is there. That is 1 centimeter. 0.2 millimeter or centimeter is there. That is this is centimeter, this is centimeter. Therefore, 72 millimeter is equal to 7.2 centimeter is there. This is your conversion of meter to centimeter to millimeter. Last one, liter to milliliter is the liter to milliliter. Milliliter to liter. Converted, therefore 872 liter is equal to or ml. Milliliter, how many liters? How much liter? Therefore 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter is there, but this is less than 1000 is there. Therefore 0.872 liter. This also use the decimal number. Got it? This like you can use the decimal number. You can study about the only decimal number in your exercise also. Next tomorrow I will study about only multiplication of decimal number, addition of decimal numbers, and also some characters of decimal numbers are here. As like in next class, you will learn about homework in your exercise.